It's IBC 2022 and we are on the Matrox stand in Hall 7. Now we've done a couple of videos with Dan, so do check those out. And now I'm with Richard and we're talking about cloud-based workflows. Now people are working in a hybrid SDI IP environment right now. How's the adoption to a cloud-based workflow going and how are Matrox helping them with that?
So a lot of people are using cloud for playout at the moment. That's becoming a solved problem, but for live production or remote production, then the cloud is something that people are very much excited about using, particularly as it allows you to perhaps take what you've got on-prem and then burst, have the agility to burst, to scale, to go larger. But that's a journey, I think, that we're on at the moment. And so Matrox, well known for its SDKs and its hardware cards that enable people to have OEMs write software, and they enable broadcasters to build on-prem facilities. So what if we gave them a framework in which they could also continue to build those on-prem systems, but in software, and in a way that they would also run on the cloud? So that is why we're creating this asynchronous media framework. It's in technology sneak peek at the show, and so people can come here and see this future product, which is going to enable people to build services that run both on-prem, and then they can transport them over to the cloud without a dependency necessarily. Once they get to the cloud on SDI or 2110, it's a framework in which you can build your broadcast workflows, high quality workflows, and they will run on the cloud. But you don't have to run them on the cloud. You can also run them on-prem.
So what separates your new solution from other solutions that might be available on the market? What's your unique selling points for this?
Well, I think it's partly because the product, we're focusing on SDK, software development kits, that enable people to build services that's both moving frames around and processing video, and also building UIs and workflows on the top, so they can skin their own thing. And so it's not a software as a service model where you have to come into a platform. It's something that you will control. You'll run in your account, and then we'll ask for some credits in return. But yes, it's a platform. It's taking that that model of enabling, perhaps taking the complexity away for all the other people who just want to focus on writing the best computer graphics engine or the best mixer, and we'll provide the environment in which that can run.
And what's your roadmap for this? When are you planning on launching it, and what developments do you see happening in the future?
So the roadmap we're talking about here is trying to get as many people starting to use the SDK in a couple of months' time, and then to try and get a product launch for NAB 2023. Fantastic,
cool. And I'm sure that by the time we get to April next year, there'll be a whole host of new features that it'll probably be offering as well.
Yes, and hopefully, we'll be creating some base features, but what we really want to do is to create that ecosystem.
Of course, yeah, absolutely. And where can people find out more information, Richard?
Matrox.com/video and Matrox.com on Twitter and LinkedIn as well.
Cool. Or if they're at IBC, just come to
come to the stand, yeah.
You can tell them all about it. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Indeed, Richard.
Thank you.
Check out the website, and of course check out those other videos that we've done on the Matrox stand. And for everything else we're doing at IBC, check out kitplus.com.